Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of What We Eating. It's your girl Ava. Today I am making mustard fried chicken. And I know what you're thinking, but it's not what you're thinking. It's mustard fried chicken and it is really good. It doesn't have that mustard taste, okay? But it has a different taste. But let's get started. All right, so I already have my chicken. I'm doing chicken wings and they are washed really good. They're clean. Okay, so I want to add garlic powder. Get a good amount. Lawry's seasoning salt. Onion powder, garlic powder. I think I said garlic first, but onion and garlic powder. Some paprika. Pepper. Accent.
How many of y'all put accent on everything?
And then the main ingredient, mustard. You just want to go on in there like that. Just get it in there. Now the mustard will turn your grease a different color, but it's okay. Then what you want to do is just mix it all, marinate it, get it all good. That's why I have these gloves on, because I don't want to get that all on my hands right now. You just mix that up real good. You can see the mustard on there. Okay. Now what I want to do is just add it to my flour. Now that that's all mixed in, I'm going to take these off. Now my hands are clean. I ain't even got to worry about washing. Now I'm going to put one in some flour. And have your grease, have it about on a 5.5. And you don't have to season your flour. That's if you want to. I did not season mine. Once you get that in there, so we can start cooking. What? Got that turned down to a 5. And I place mine in side down first, and then I flip it. Okay. It's raining here. Okay. 3 of them in there. I might can get one more. Alright. I'm going to wash my hands. And I'll be back. Alright. So we'll go ahead and flip these over. What is going on? We're going to stop.
What happened?
I said you won't stop sticking. Look. There we go. Oh, nope. We did it again. You passing my other one. Okay, I think I got it. But we'll take these just in case my phone won't stop sticking. Yeah, we're gonna go with Old Faithful here. I'm gonna flip this chicken. Look at that. It's gonna be good. And you know your chicken is done when it floats. Okay, I'm gonna finish getting that fried up, and then I'll be back. All right, so I have some pieces. I have about 4 pieces already fried up and ready to go. And this is what it's going to look like, and it smells so good. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of this chicken fried up, and I'll be back. All right, y'all. So the mustard fried chicken is done, as you can see. Man, don't that look good? All right, I'm gonna make this plate and let my husband taste it. All right, y'all, the plate is done. I cooked the mustard fried chicken, macaroni and cheese, green beans, and a roll. I'm going to go ahead and bite into this chicken. But first, I want to thank you all who has subscribed. I have over 30 subscribers now. Thank you, and I hope to continue to grow. Please hit that like button and subscribe button. That's hot. All right, until next time on What We Eating. Bye.